Hello YouTubers, Sonic Ox here. Today is Wednesday, December 27th, 2023. I hope you're all doing well and that you and your family had a nice Christmas, and I'm wishing you a happy, healthy, prosperous new year. Today's video is just a shout out thank you to Steve in Canada. He runs a YouTube channel called Captain Drone. You've probably seen it. It's really well done. He does review videos on quadcopters and actually all things RC. I've seen him do reviews of remote control vehicles of all type. He is a drone pilot and his channel's really well done. You ought to go see it. Anyway, he and his lovely wife Nikki give away stickers every year to their subscribers as a thank you for supporting his channel, and they're really nice, and you see them all over the internet with people who do drone videos. There's a shot of my Sonic Ox toolbox that, as most of you know, my friend Jorg in Australia made that aluminum plaque that I affixed to my toolbox. But there's one of Steve's stickers. They're really reflective and high quality stickers. I put one on the front of my toolbox and one on the back and one on my charging station. And so I just wanted to show you guys that and give a shout out to his channel. Thank you, Steve. You guys should go see that. So that's all for me. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ox out.